Hello, students. Take one deep breath. Now relax your shoulders and listen carefully. Do you know something? You are alive right now. This moment is real. This heartbeat is real. And this may be the only chance you get. Many people think life will start someday. But life is already here. It has arrived. And the question is, are you really living? Or are you just moving through the days like a robot, checking your phone, watching videos, making excuses, and waiting for a magic miracle? This is not a practice game. It is the only match you will play. And today, I will remind you of this truth. I will give you lessons, not complicated lessons, but small lessons in simple English. You want to learn English better. You want freedom. You want success. You want love, respect, peace, and happiness. Good. Then wake up, my friend, because everything you want is real. It is waiting, but only if you move. Chapter 1. Time is your treasure. Imagine you are holding gold coins. Each coin is beautiful, shiny, and valuable. Now imagine this. Every hour of your day is one coin. When you spend it, it's gone. You cannot get it back. You cannot return to yesterday. And here is the truth. Time is life. Not just time on the clock. Life itself. Every time you say, I will do it tomorrow, you are throwing away a coin. But that coin is not just money. It is part of your life. Many people think they are wasting time. But no, they are losing life, piece by piece. Think about it. When you choose to scroll your phone for 2 hours, you are not just killing time. You are reducing the story of your life. I am not here to make you feel guilty. I am here to wake you up. Because success starts here. Respect your time. Respect your life. So, here is a small solution. Every morning, write one important goal. Just one. Not 20 things. Just one. Then do it before everything else. Before social media. Before distractions. If you protect just 1 hour every day, it can change your whole life. Think of time as your best friend. If you ignore it, it will run away. If you care for it, it will give you a bright future.
Chapter 2. Stop blaming. Start owning. Many people waste energy blaming others. They say, "My parents didn't help me. My school was bad. My country doesn't give chances. My job is the problem." Listen carefully. Those words never build anything. They only build excuses. The truth is, your life is your responsibility, not your parents, not your boss, not the government, not even your teacher, just you. Yes, maybe bad things happened. Maybe life was unfair, but staying inside that story will not change anything. Winners are not people with perfect backgrounds. Winners are people who say, "Maybe I have nothing, but I will create something. I will build from zero, right here, right now." Do you know history? Many great people had no money, no connections, no support, but they had fire inside. They had hunger. That is enough. So, here's a challenge for you. Write down your problems on paper. Yes, write them all. Then, next to each problem, write one small solution. Not a big miracle, just one small action. And then start. Because one step today is always better than 100 excuses tomorrow.
Chapter 3. Break the comfort zone. The comfort zone is soft. It is warm. It feels safe. But do not be fooled, my friend. It is a prison with golden walls. Every day you repeat the same safe life. Wake up, check your phone, eat the same food, watch the same shows, scroll, sleep, repeat. Yes, it feels easy, but it secretly kills your dreams. It steals your growth. It makes your life smaller and smaller until one day you realize, "I never lived at all." Growth never happens in the comfort zone. Want to speak English fluently? Then speak, even if you make mistakes. Want to get fit? Then move, sweat, feel tired. Want to start a business? Then begin, even when you fail 10 times. A seed never becomes a tree if it refuses to break the soil. It must push, face rain, face sun, and feel pain. That is how it becomes strong. And you, my friend, are the same. So try this. Every day, do one uncomfortable thing. Speak for 5 minutes. Apply for that job. Go to that class. Post that video. Fail with pride. Fail with courage. But fail while moving. Because no hero was born inside the comfort zone.
Chapter 4. Later is a beautiful lie. What is the biggest lie in the world? It is not politics. It is not fake news. It is 2 little words. I'll do it later. Later feels safe. Later feels kind. But later is a thief. It steals your dreams silently. When you say later, what you mean is, I don't want to do it now, and maybe never. Think about this. How many dreams have you killed by saying later? How many times did you want to start something, but didn't? And now you see someone else doing it, and you think, that could have been me. Painful, isn't it? That pain is called regret, and regret is the heaviest feeling. So start today. Start small. Start messy. Start scared. But start. Remember this. Now is your real superpower.
Chapter 5. Stop overthinking. Start acting. Your brain is a gift. It is powerful. But sometimes it is also your enemy. Many people don't fail because they are weak. They fail because they never start. They keep thinking, planning, analyzing, but never acting. You say you want to learn English, so you watch videos, read books, collect vocabulary. But you never open your mouth to speak. And so you stay stuck. Learning without action is just dreaming. And dreams without action turn into pain. Here's the formula. Think for 10 minutes, act for 10 hours. Jump into the water if you want to learn swimming. You can't just read books about it. It is the same with your goals. Stop asking, what if I fail? Ask instead, what if I fly?
Chapter 6. Be the person who never quits. In every class, in every family, there is always one person who rises. One person who doesn't quit, who tries again and again, who fights until the end. Why can't that be you? Yes, people will laugh. Yes, they will doubt. But one day they will clap. They will look at you and say, this person never gave up. Respect. So don't wait for applause now. Clap for yourself. Support yourself. Show up with discipline. Discipline is doing what is right even when you don't feel like it. And success is built by disciplined days. Chapter 7. You versus you. The biggest enemy is not outside, not your friends, not your boss, not even your phone. It is the lazy version of you. The one who says, sleep more. Do it later. Don't try. It's too hard. Every day is a battle. One version wants growth. The other wants comfort. Which one wins? The one you feed. Feed your strong side with good habits. Reading, speaking English, exercising, building. Each small win makes your strong self stronger. Each excuse makes your weak self grow. This is the fight of your life. You versus you. Choose wisely. Chapter 8. Build your inner power. Every strong building needs a foundation. Every strong person needs willpower. Willpower is the muscle of your mind. It grows every time you say yes to discipline and no to excuses. Willpower says, I don't feel like studying, but I will study anyway. It is not about feelings. It is about decisions. And every small victory builds this muscle. Get up when you want to stay in bed. Read when you want to scroll. Practice English when you feel shy. Slowly, willpower becomes your character. And with strong willpower, nothing can stop you.
Last words. So, my friend, respect your time. Stop blaming. Escape comfort. Kill the lie of later. Stop overthinking. Keep discipline. Win against the lazy you. And build your willpower. Your life is in your hands. It will not wait. It is here, right now. So live with power. Learn with power. And grow with power. Because this is your one life. Make it legendary. That's it for today. See you in the next video. Keep learning and growing. Bye for now.